Hi, good morning guys. Today is another day. Welcome to another day of our life. Right now we are gonna go eat, and then after we go eat we're gonna go to, there's a party. We're gonna go to ADHD. We are gonna go to the outlet store in New West, Queensboro. Where are we gonna eat?
We can go directly to outlet store.
So kasi ng barbecue? Where are we gonna get barbecue?
I don't know. Maybe. Ang init!
As promised to ourselves yesterday, we're wearing our teeth. It's 19 degrees according to the
19 degrees, but
To
our
the
car
car.
is so...
Alright, we have decided we're gonna go eat at Aling and Ning's because we talked about this yesterday when we were at Tita Joy's house. So we're gonna go try it because it's always existed and we've never known about it. And now that we know about it, we wanna try it. It's right beside Otaho, and apparently it's really good.
Yeah. Siguro bibili kami ng taho din mamaya after eating. At least may... Hindi naman
Yeah.
Hindi naman siguro sila magsasara na maaga ngayon. Pero maganda kasi na may... Para
Pero
makain
parang
ka.
sarado sila today.
Taho? We'll see. Let's,
Yeah, so this is on Fraser Street in between 26 and 27. So yeah, let's go try it. Let's go try it.
Boy, boy, moje, abre Cristo mi more.
A dosilog for me and tapsilog for Kat.
Every red light feels personal.
Yummy.
Roadside workers, construction crews.
How is it?
good.
Alright, we are now going to Otaho. That was good. Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was good. It was like pagkain, yeah, lutong bahay. Pagkain talaga sa bahay. Now, this is Otaho.
I like this.
One serving of halo-halo.
One serving siya, guys. So, usually, pag one serving, ay, yung one small no order nila, separated yung ano. Okay, nakastop na.
Wait lang.
Separated
Sorry.
yung... Okay, let's wait na lang. Separated yung ano.
Pagtapos nito, okay, let's go. Struggles.
Aka na. Dami.
Okay.
Naputol yung sinabi ko. So, sorry. So, one serving lang to. And, usually, not naman usually. Parang mali ata yung sinabi ko. Yung one, okay guys, sorry naputol. Anyway, so one serving lang yung in-order namin. So, one serving is, ay, ubos na. Ang dami namang intermission. So, yung one serving nila na size is, hinalo yung sago at saka yung taho mismo or yung soy something. But if mag-order kayo from small to yung parang party size nila, usually naka-separate yung sago dito. So yun, kaya parang gusto ko na siyang kainin kasi parang
kainin mo na.
Ang init. Wait lang. Guys, look, umuusok pa siya. Careful ha. Umuusok pa siya, hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo, pero ganito siya kapuno. And wow, very excited ako to eat. Oh my god. Ayan o. Ayan, umuusok. Oh my god. I-mix ko na lang kaya to, no? No?
Yeah, para makain na. Let me show you.
Okay, go.
Yes.
I was expecting na medyo madami pa siya ba kasi, masarap siyang Merienda sa umaga. By the way, meron silang meron silang note doon na good siya i-consume within 2 to 3 days of purchase. I mean, after purchase ng taho. So, which is true naman kasi 'di ba? Baka mapanis, magiging ano pa yung tiyan niyo.
Grabe, ang init ngayon. Akala ko medyo fresh like yesterday. So, nag-long sleeve ako. Wrong. Very wrong. Ay, mainit pa. Too hot for me. Ayan na guys. Mainit na ako. Okay. We are now here at the outlet. We said earlier that we were gonna go to Queensboro, but we were already at Fraser and this is closer. So, we're going to... Well, we're at Arthur Glen. And so far, this has been the quickest parking spot
Nahanap namin
on a weekend. So this is great, and it's not too far, so
Yeah.
it's great. So let's go to the mall.
To the mall.
It's hot today, and I don't have a hat. Kat doesn't have a hat. I'm wearing long sleeves.
Guys, sorry. Nakaalis na kami dun sa boses ko. Nakaalis na kami dun sa sa outlet, obviously. And now pupunta kami ng downtown. Sobrang layo talaga ng inabutan namin ngayon. But so the reason why nakaharap sa harap ang camera because we wanna see you how beautiful the weather is.
How beautiful!
The weather.
See you how beautiful!
We want to see how beautiful. We want to show you.
Loading.
We want to show you how beautiful the weather is. Ayan na siya, guys. Very nice and very blue and very green. Kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Kim kasi dumaan kami dun sa may area ng boundary papuntang. Ay, no, not boundary. Saan ba yun? Yung medyo, medyo sobrang vibrant na ng pagkakulay ng green ng Japan.
Weirdo. Wow! Amazing! Beautiful British Columbia! Vancouver, Canada!
Beautiful!
Beautiful! Look at the water! Look at the water! Wow! Amazing!
Oy, per my car.
What
Sorry.
a beautiful day! What a beautiful day out in Canada! Why, Philippines ka ba? Yan! Philippines! Look, they're Filipinos.
I know. Look at that.
Nakalagay out of order yung elevator, but we are here. We're gonna try that. Oh, if they have a Spanish latte, then yeah, I want.
It's nice. Tingnan nyo yung Science World. Science World. Science World. Wow, beautiful!
British Columbia! Vancouver, Canada!
Guys, pauwi na kami. Actually, wait lang, hold on. Hindi pala kami pauwi. Very wrong pala yun. Papunta kami ng
Car wash?
car wash, I think. Pagtatapon kami ng basura. And then, uwi na kami. It's already 7. And, super bright pa din sa labas. Very, very love. Because, bright pa and it's already 7 p.m. So, nafe-feel na natin ang summer. Bakit medyo blurry yung camera? Siguro yung camera to, no? Siguro nga. But, yeah, sorry guys. Kinailangan nyo mag-adjust muna sa ngayon. Yes. Mamaya, Mamaya, hindi kami sure kung magde-dinner pa kami or hindi na. Pero sobrang busog ko talaga. Wait lang ha. Ihaharap.
Shake in the fridge.
Wait lang, ihaharap namin kayo dito. Anyway, sobrang busog ko na
Gang, gang.
para bang puputok ko yung tiyan ko. Nagtanggal nga ako ng belt kasi sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko dahil sobra namin kinain. And, ang daming liquids namin na ininom today. Nasaan yung matcha?
Naubos ko na.
Okay, so, yeah, bumili kami ng original na lemon, jumbo, kasi nag-share lang kami ni Kim. Yung original lang to siya, water and also lemon with a little bit of sugar and sweetness, you know. And then, kung saan yung building namin before sa work, pinalitan na ng coffee shop yun. Dati, take 5 yun, and then ngayon, pinalitan ng slow. Ewan ko kung, whatever, too much information. But anyway, trinay namin yung matcha nila, and okay naman, no?
It's fine. Nothing special.
Yeah, we were looking for Spanish latte kasi sa dalawang coffee shops na pinuntahan namin, nagustuhan namin yung Spanish latte. Although medyo matamis siya for coffee talaga, pero alam mo yun, yung hint ng kape andun pa din.
Nice.
Oo. So, naghanap kami doon kaso wala. So, we just bought na lang matcha instead. Pero okay lang naman siya. Wala kaming nabili. Pumunta kami ng Holt Renfrew. May hinahanap kami doon kaso wala, hindi available. So nagpunta na lang kami ng Sephora and may nabili kami doon. Yung para sa skin lang. Anyway,
Yeah, I'll show you.
yeah,
We have an exfoliant.
we
Body scrub.
were looking for a different exfoliant kaso hindi nga available sa Holt. So bumaba kami ng Sephora, bumili. Actually, kinalangan ko talagang pumunta ng Sephora kasi naubusan na ako ng Mighty Patch. So, bumuli muna ako ng ito, Peace Out na pimple patch. And si Kim bumili siya ng Skin Fix for our exfoliants. So,
We used that before and then we ran out and it's been a year since we had it.
yeah.
So I think it's time.
Yeah. Nung pumunta kami doon sa kanina guys, doon sa outlet, wala din kami iba nabili. But, pagtanto namin na ubos na pala yung namin. Ubos na yung shower oil namin. So, we just got this kasi naka-sale. Supposedly, yung bibilin ko is yung refill lang kasi meron naman na kami yung pump. But then, naka-sale yung yung refill plus yung parang maliit na size nila. Not naman super maliit, not travel size, but like small size ng
And that's the last one, right? The lady
Yeah,
said that was
ito
the
na
last
yung
one.
last na stock nila. Meron pa naman doon na mga package or combos din na ganito. But, mas gusto ko to. But yeah, yun lang naman so far. So ngayon papunta na kami ng car wash and then we'll see you guys there. Okay guys, mabilisan lang tong pagpunta namin dito. Actually, hindi to car wash talaga. Parang car, lang to. Actually, part siya ng
Yung shine na to.
Oo, part siya ng car wash. Doon kasi yung car wash sa kabila. And then, meron silang mga spaces dito for vacuums. And then, magtatapon ng basura. I think madaming stalls to. Dito sa dito sa Queen Street.
Okay na?
But yes, mabilis lang talaga. Literally, nagtapon lang kami ng basura, right? Literally, nagtapon lang kami ng basura. Hindi muna kami ngayon mag-clean or siguro magka-car wash kasi kaka-clean lang namin ni Eddie. Basura lang talaga yung tinapon namin. So, eto yun siya guys. It looks like
actually,
this.
ang dumi ng front na ng car namin.
Yeah.
No?
May mga parang stalls or spaces lang siya na ganun ba and everything. Wow, okay. Yeah.
Pero hindi maganda dito kasi hindi both sides yung back.
Yeah, yung pinupuntahan namin na Shine ba yun or Auto
Yeah,
Wash?
sa Burnaby.
Sa Burnaby, it's very nice kasi two sides yung niya. Yan guys, yan yung entrance ng
Lang yan. bilis lang
car
yan.
wash. Yeah. But our favorite na car wash talaga is dun sa dun sa aray ko naman. Dun sa Burnaby kasi ang laki ng space doon and then feel namin parang ang tagal namin na nasa loob na naka-car wash. But here parang it's too
Bitin.
Oo, bitin. Yeah. Okay.
But it's already 7. Look at this wonderful sun.
The wonderful sun to be. Ayan, oh. Sobrang bright, no?
Oh, look at Devin. He's really enjoying.
And sobrang clear ng skies. Thank you, Lord. Kung nakikita nyo ngayon ito, oh, ayan. Sobrang clear ng skies. We're so thankful. Kasi, I think, naguling hirit na ng tag-ulan. And sana naman, hindi na talaga umulan. Right? We don't know the forecast for summer. Who knows? Magbabago pa ba yung forecast? Ang alam lang namin is sobrang iinit. Pero hindi namin alam kung may tag-ulan ba konti or something like that. Dahil, who knows? Diba? Climate change.
Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Guys, so we've made it home now. And we decided long ago. No, we decided that we're gonna change the linens to a different color for the duvet lang. Because right now it's like
It's the yung ginagamit namin ngayon from from the winter, yung olive green and then brown.
but we are going to change it to
All white.
all
Ay, not naman
Okay.
all white. Yung liner namin, brown pa rin naman. Pero, yung majority ng kulay is puti. Because it's getting hot now sa gabi. So,
yeah. You're saying
we're saying na mainit na siya. So, mas maganda na if medyo bright or light yung kulay sa bedroom namin. Actually, nakalabas na nga yung aircon namin. Kasi mainit na
yeah, we
talaga
used
sa
it
gabi.
when we got back from Japan because I don't know, like somehow we were like overheating at night and we couldn't sleep and we needed all the help because we were just so jet lagged.
Yeah, pero sa umaga, malamig naman siya, guys.
Okay, we're almost home. We'll talk to you inside. Okay, we are now in the house. And first things first, gotta wash our hands. So let's all wash our hands. Gotta change our clothes too, because came from outside. And we're gonna change our sheets. So gotta do all that.
Change your sheets! The bedroom is the most important. Parang, sanctuary ba tawag nun?
Sanctuary.
Or your space. Your personal space is your bedroom. And kung galing ka sa labas, and I don't know, siguro ako lang yan, no? But feeling ko pag nakalabas ako, lahat ng
Bacteria and germs are, easy.
crazy.
So let's reset our home because it's a brand new week. And even though tomorrow is a holiday and there's no work and it's a Monday, it doesn't matter. We still gotta do our routine. And on Sundays, we reset our home so we wake up to a nice, fresh home on a new week. I don't know. That's just maybe us. But I remember growing up that's what, my mom wanted us to do on weekends. Like, my mom wanted us to, fix our bed, do our laundry, all of that. We weren't very good at it when we were young because, we're teenagers. No, I was saying that, we gotta reset our home today. Just, doing the mopping and just making sure that everything is organized for the week ahead, even though it's a holiday tomorrow.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter because it's still a new week. We still gotta do the routines. Mia, nothing. So yes, let's do our thing. I don't know where I'm gonna put you guys, but this is the bed. You wanna watch us do this thing? Okay, I'm gonna put this on speed.
Ito pala yung gamit namin ngayon, olive green. And then, sheet namin, this the brown one. This the brown one.
The brown one.
The brown one is the brown one.
DJ Khaled.
Saan ka ba?
Alam mo, maglalagay tayo nito.
Ito yun, not that one.
Ah.
That's for the duvet.
Okay, we're done.
Done.
That is what it looks like now.
Ito
Half
pala,
bed and half
Ano?
pillows.
Ito pala guys, sa IKEA namin to nakuha. Pero, lately, yung mga binibili namin na sheets na are from, QE. Because
100% cotton or
or bamboo. And then, meron silang mga, alam niyo yung tie sa loob ng
duvet.
duvet covers, meron silang ganun. And it's easier kasi pag isa lang yung gumagawa, itatay mo lang siya sa loob and then dun mo na siya ewan ko, si Kim, mabilis naman siya mabilis siya mag-arrange or ng duvets and duvet covers. Ako, hate ko talaga yun.
Hello. So it's been a couple of hours, it's been a while since that video.
Nakaligo na kami and nakapanood na kami ng documentary and
Yeah.
now we're just ending our day. Actually, night na. Actually, madaling araw na.
We're just gonna go to bed and wake up tomorrow.
Just gonna go to bed and just enjoy our new sheets and also just watch something sa sa projector namin. Alam nyo, sinasabi ng mga tao ba na huwag talaga daw maglagay ng anything na parang entertainment or something like that sa bedroom nyo because nakaka-disrupt ng tulog. But sa case namin kasi parang yun yung pampatulog namin and then ino-off na lang namin siya when we're really super sleepy na. And we managed to do that each time and so far so good. So far okay naman, wala namang mga disruptions or anything like that. Just do you.
I feel good because I took an everything shower today. I don't know if you guys do that too, but I only have a couple of those per week because every day we shower before bed, and if you're showering only in the morning, what's wrong with you? I mean, good for you for showering every day, but like, why in the morning? Do it before bed so you're clean. Anyways,
You're clean when you're sleeping.
yeah, you're cleaning when you're sleeping in your bed. You're not accumulating, dirt from outside on your bed. And then you wake up and then you're still clean because all you did in bed is sleep and sweat a little bit. But anyways, doesn't matter. It does matter a little bit that you're showering in the morning and not at night. Shower at night. But anyways, I take like everything showers every
Other day.
every other day. It's like a more comprehensive shower, but then the everything showers is like twice a week. And the everything shower is just like I exfoliate. I take a while, like I exfoliate. I leave the leave-in conditioner in the shower while I'm, I don't know, like shaving my legs or exfoliating, and then I feel very clean and refreshed. And then it's usually on, I don't know, like a Wednesday, and then the night that it's like fresh sheets, because the feeling of like sleeping in new sheets and then you're showered and feel super clean, unbeatable.
That is true. But
Love
overall, pag malinis yung feeling mo pag natutulog ka na, maganda yun. Yung quality ng sleep mo maganda talaga.
True.
But ibang level, yung sarap ng feeling pag bago ang sheets
True.
namin.
Oh my gosh.
Grabe. So that's why every
I think
week,
that's like a universal feeling. Like, like the first night of sleeping at a hotel when you know that the sheets have been like nicely pressed and then laundried, and then you're gonna sleep, you wake up the next day and you're like, oh my god, the best.
yeah, kaya kami siguro kiniklean namin yung sheets namin every week din talaga because I think that's just normal. But, or siguro yun lang din talaga yung nakaugulian namin. Like, growing up, we would always,
No, I didn't wash my sheets. So growing up, we had to like do our own laundry from when we were in junior high, pretty much. And then
Pero may washing naman.
yeah, we had to do our own sheets. Like
You
if
mean, like,
we
Change sheets. Ganun.
yeah, like if we wanted to change our sheets or like do that, we would have to do it. So it's my parents were busy. Like they had their own thing, right? Because they're working. So
Yeah.
we do our own laundry and then we do our own sheets. And so the last thing that I would want to do before as a teenager was change my sheets. But I would like change it. And then towards the end of like high school, I was getting into sheets. Like I really like sheets. So I bought new sheets and I would change it, and I would have the same feeling at like right now that if it's new and then I
Yeah.
sleep in it, I feel really good. But then, before that, I hated doing that. And then I neglected it for a while until like my parents would do a check in our bedrooms and then they would be like, change your sheets.
Buti nga kayo that like growing up may washing machine. Imagine kami dati sa Pilipinas wala kasi kaming washing machine dati guys, like manual lang. So wala kaming choice kasi pag nagigising kami sa umaga tapos kahit hindi like ako personally kahit hindi ko gusto linisan yung namin, tatanggalin talaga yun ng nanay ko. So either that or wala ka talagang tutulugan.
Yeah.
And dapat kahit tulog ka na, gigisingin pa ako kasi kailangan ko maglinis ng katawan. Ganun,
Yeah.
level. So,
But right
nadadala
now,
namin yan siguro ngayon.
now that like we live alone, like in the last 20 years of living alone, we have like been washing our sheets like weekly. And then even my parents, like, and my family in Calgary, it's a weekly change. Like, you'll see mom or my grandma or my sister changing their sheets, and it's just like a normal thing. Like, I think the most used appliance in our home is the washer and dryer, because if it's not sheets that's in there, it's usually like clothes or
No, washer, dryer, and also vacuum.
yeah, like it's like used all the time. But I don't know. This was just normal growing up. But like I know that not a lot of people wash their sheets regularly or weekly. But like if you're starting to get pimples and you don't really get
Due to
pimples.
certain circumstances.
Yeah, like some people are busy or whatever. We don't know. But like if you don't wash your sheets, you're gonna start to get pimples like on your face or on your
Yeah.
back.
Like, ako, di ba, grabe, sobrang mapimple ako na tao. And, minsan, pag okay yung mga kinakain ko, or like, yung hormones ko, medyo mild sila, isang indication na medyo, kailangan na namin i-washing sheets din namin because nagkaka-pimples ako ng sobra. Like, extra sa normal ko na pimples. Yeah. So
And then like so before we were using Tide, but like since we've switched to more
like cleaner
products, we also switched our laundry detergent and we're using less of the softeners, and that's also helping.
Hindi na tayo nag-soft.
Yeah, we don't use that anymore. Even like the scent boost things, we only use those on our coats or something, but not in clothes that we wear directly on our skin, because
Alam nyo, dati, nasa namin, like, iniisip namin ba na if mabango, that means malinis siya. But little na parang unti-unti namin nare-realize ba na too much use of the fabric conditioners, parang, like, siguro kami lang yun, no? Siguro, yung knowledge namin about those is, late na yung mga realization namin or something like that. But, yung too much paggamit ng fabric conditioner doesn't mean that, or if mabango yung labahin nyo,
it's
or
clean.
sobrang bango doesn't mean that it's clean. But, may bango na malinis at may bango na medyo
it's just smell.
may something pa. Oo. So, ngayon, parang we're also trying to like minimize yung paggamit ng laundry, mga scents or something like that.
But also the cleaner product that we're using is actually cheaper for laundry detergent. Like we buy it at Costco and it's this like big jug. It's called Ecos, I think. And the smell is minimal. It's cheaper than Tide. It has more loads than Tide and other products, but it's a clean product.
So,
Recommend that one.
I think na-mention na din namin sa inyo guys na we're slowly switching our products to cleaner products. Like, not totally naman, no? Kasi mukhang hindi naman namin talaga 100% makommit yun because there are also some products na gusto namin na, alam nyo yun, yung parang, pa din, medyo sobrang makemical pa din or too much, pa rin process. But like, we're trying our best, like, slowly lang minimizing yung paggamit ng sobrang ng products. But then, may mga nakikita kami sa Whole Foods, like for example, itong laundry na ginagamit namin ngayon.
We tried it first from Whole Foods because they have a small pack.
Oo, at first, parang sabi namin parang masyadong mahal pa. And then, we checked sa Costco, meron naman pala. So, yung tinest namin yun from Whole Foods, sabi namin, okay naman siya. So, nag-commit na kami sa bigger na size dun sa sa binili namin sa Costco. And it's so good because it's been 5 months now na hindi namin 5 months na ata, no? 5 months going.
Since the beginning of this year. So yeah, 5 months.
5 months na nag-switch kami noon and hindi pa kami nakabili ng
And it's not even halfway done. And it's kind of weird because we do laundry so much. Not so much. You know, it's like a regular reuse, but like it's consistent. Like it's every Thursday or Friday that we're doing our clothes, and then every Saturday or Friday that we're doing our sheets. But it's really consistent, and that's like what, like 3 loads each time, and we haven't even gotten to like the halfway point. So it is pretty good. It's really
Maganda
cheap.
siya, guys. Yeah, we highly recommend it.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. And if you didn't get this far, then that's okay. It's fine. Don't really care.
Good night.
Bye.